Linnk AI is a website that allows you to do a wide variety of different sort of document manipulations and research, all from a single interface. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. And as you can see, firstly, you have the option to actually translate or understand any sort of document, and then you can begin chatting with it. They do also have a list of tools here, as you can see, like a citation generator, YouTube summarizer. I'm actually going to go into the mind map because a mind map is one of the main ways I sort of understand everything. I like to say our minds are maps that direct our decision, and the future is a canvas upon which we envision. So I often like using mind maps to actually lay out my strategy for professional and personal things in my life. So I'm just going to drop in a document here called situational awareness. I'll be back in a sec. So yeah, now I've done that. Situational awareness by Leopold Aschenbrenner is basically talks about the importance of positioning yourself well, and sometimes, you know, doing so like decades in advance so that you can actually reap the most sort of rewards. It often speaks on, making investments that, let's say, lay dormant for a year, 2 years, 3 years, or maybe even longer, however long it takes, if you're absolutely, or if you have a high level of conviction or certainty, just so that when things do align, you are primarily positioned to basically reap all the benefits and everything will be coming to you. So we've got some key themes and predictions here: rapid AI advancement, AGI by 2027, okay, geopolitical and security implications, interesting stuff. So key predictions for the decade ahead: AI will drive over $100 billion in annual revenues for big tech companies. AI models will outcompete PhDs in raw problem solving capabilities. The AI wake up will lead to a widespread recognition of AI's power. Absolutely. I often speak about the concept of techism, which, like other isms that exist in society, essentially will be the systematic prejudice against those who are not technologically literate or advanced or inclined. And we're getting here by 2027/28. We're being told that AGI will be developed with models trained on $100 billion plus clusters. Okay, interesting stuff. And by 2030, super intelligence will emerge. AI systems vastly smarter than humans. Interesting stuff. So we've got some insights which we can generate, and a mind map as well, which I'm going to generate as well. And I wonder what this custom button is, but I guess this is just a way to ask some questions. And we've got a conclusion here as well. Challenges and risks include data wars, security threats, alignment failures, very true, authoritarian dominance, quite true, and self-destruction, of course. Okay, cool. So we've got this nice mind map. So situational awareness, we've got AI progress and predictions, key drivers of AI progress from GPT-2 to 4, the intelligence explosion, major challenges, the project, parting thoughts, and an appendix here. Okay, cool.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
So AGI, realism, national security, US leadership, and avoiding failure. So we've got that whole book essentially mapped out conveniently in this mind map. And we've also got an LLM that's been trained on its content via what I assume is RAG, retrieval augmented generation. We can now start asking questions about this book here. So yeah, definitely check out Linnk AI if you think it would be useful for you. I think it's a great way to sort of increase what I always like to refer to, which is learning velocity. That is the speed at which you can go in a direction that you want as quickly as possible in order to get to an outcome that you desire. So yeah, definitely check out Linnk if you think it would be useful for you.